How to use motion blur effect in CapCut PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your device. Then, import your media and add it to your timeline. After you've added to the timeline, click on video at the top, and then in basic, scroll down, you'll find motion blur. Click on motion blur and you'll find different options. You can increase or decrease blur as you want, blend it as well, and you can also choose direction from where you want to blur, from the right side, left side, or both. Select the one you prefer, and then after you've done that, you can export the video. This is how to use motion blur effect in CapCut PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.